Today we're going to talk about understanding the organizational chart. Hey everybody, it's Gregory Martire, local real estate expert, coach, mentor, self-proclaimed expert, a local agent here for more than 20 years. So we're talking about understanding the organizational chart. Now, what does that mean exactly? Who's in charge here? Okay, that's what we're talking about. All right, so when we're talking about working with a family or working with an individual or maybe working with a couple or a couple of investors or maybe a partnership, who is in charge? So we need to understand the organizational chart. Who is in charge here? Are all parties that are decision makers involved? Who has the authority of everyone to say yes? When it's a husband and wife, who's in charge? When it's a couple of partners, perhaps a investment group, who is in charge? So we need to understand who makes the decisions and ask directly. Are you a decision maker? Maybe you don't say it exactly like that, but we say it with confidence and we ask, are you the one that can make this decision alone? If you're going into a listing appointment, do you want to talk to one seller or both? Of course you want to talk to both if there are two. But if you're only talking to one, are they the decision maker? Anyway, understand your organizational chart and hopefully save you some time, hassle, and some time, energy, and effort. Have a great day, everybody. It's Gregory Martire, local real estate coach, mentor. If you're looking for some helpful information, shoot me a text or send me an email. Be glad to do it. Have a great day.